All right, you guys, bring those feet nice and wide, engage through your core. Take a soft bend in those knees. We start with a little cardio today. You're gonna push up and down, press up and down. We're leading with the right side of our body for this first set of work. Press and lower. We're gonna use a set of weights for today's workout. Good, now let's add some feet right here. Go front, go back. Right side, in, push. Adding that little hop at the back. If that feels good on your body. 2 more times. Last time, we're gonna slide to the right. Go push, rock it back. Push, now you're gonna clap it 4 times. Kicking that heel to the booty. Slide to the right, go slide, rock. Woo, breathe. We got 4. Good. Do it again, we slide, push, rock. Push, rock, clap it 4. 1 more set like this. Push and push. Clap it up. Woo! So good. From here, you're gonna go pull, cross, pull, cross. Option to stay at this tempo, or you can speed it up. We go pull, punch. That's it. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a breath. Roll it back. Whew. We're gonna take that all to the left side in 4, 3, feet stay in place. We press it left, up, down, push, and press. Energy out the palms. Good, keep breathing. 4 more in place. Last 2. Get ready to add the feet in. Step to the left, go front, back, front, back. Yes, can you go a little bigger? 4, 3, so good, we have 2. We're gonna slide it to the left side. Push, rock, push, 4 claps. Kick your booty, 80. Slide it out, push, rock. Woo, clap it up. 4, 3, good. Again, we slide. Big breath. Last time, push and push. Clap it up. Woo. You got it, y'all. Go pull, punch, pull, punch. Option to stay at this tempo or speed it up. 8, 8, pull, press. 4, 3, 2. Let's slide right here. Slide, rock. Clap it up. 4. Slide it out. Clap it. And breathe. Good work, you guys. Grab your weights if you have them today. We're gonna tone. Take your feet wide, turn your toes slightly outward. Bring the weight at your shoulders. You're gonna drop into a squat. Curl it up, shoulder press, lower the elbows. Down, curl, press, release, down. So we're finding that squat at the bottom. Maintain your core. 2 more. Bicep curl, shoulder press. Last one here. Woo! You got it. Now we're gonna hold a little pulse. Down. Down. Those arms are long. Pull your abs in tight. 4, 3, 2. Hold low. Row, pull. Row, pull. Those elbows graze the rib cage. Last one. Back to your pulses right here for 8. For 6. Stay low. Stay grounded. Now hold it low. Roll back. 4, 3. Stay with me. 2. You got it. 1. Squat and lift. Arms stay long. Lift. Down and up. Full range of motion, just your lower body. Yes. Keep it going out. Inhale and exhale. Good. Shoulders back. Core tight. 8 more. You got it. 6. Stay here for 4. 3, 2, 1. Bring the weights to the chest. You're gonna pulse 2 times. Right heel's gonna kick back. Drop the leg. Pulse for 2, other leg. Kick and lower. Down, down. Reach to the heel. Last one. We're gonna go back from the top with the bicep curl. Down, curl, press, and drop. Woo! guys. Feeling that full body work. Down. You can do all of this movement without weights. You're still gonna get a great workout in. Down, up, reach. 2 more sets. Press. Last one. We're gonna hold it at the bottom, pulse it down for 8. Long spine, core tight. You have 4, 3, 2, hold low, row it back. 4, 3, working into that upper spine, upper back to the pulse. 8 times, stay low. 8, 6, 4, 3, hold it low, row it back for 4. For 3, I'm with you, y'all. 2, 1, arms on full range. Down, up, down, and up. Push your booty back, squeeze, and squeeze. 4, 3, 2, let's bring that curl back in. Take it down right here, down. Curl, press, lower. Down, curl, press. Woo! Sink, and push. Sink. Good, let's hold it low. We pulse. 8. Yes, close your rib cage. 4, 3, 2, hold low, row back. 4 times. Mid back work. 2, 1, pulse low. 8, 6, 4, 3, row it back right here for 4. 3, 2, you got it. 1, full range. Squat down, lift. Yes. This full range of motion should feel nice and good on the low body. Lower and squeeze. Let's go 2 more. I want you to go back to the 2 pulses. Kick your heel up, center, down for 2, kick it back, down for 2, find your balance. Let's stay here, keep it going, down, and up, down, yes, up. Last set, we got it, good, last one. We're gonna finish with the bicep curls, take it down right here, down, curl, press, down, curl, press. Woo! Good, hold it low, we pulse. 8. Feel that back on fire, y'all. 4, 3, hold low, row back. 4, 3, 2, 1, pulse low again. 8. Breathe. So good. 4, 3, 2, 1. Row for 4. 3, 2. Last time. Finish it. Roll shoulders back. Reduce those weights. Time to dance it out. Oh, those arms should feel nice and light. Arms in a box. We're gonna tap to the right for 2, then left for 2. Go out, in, out. Out, in, out. You got it. Squeezing into the chest. Elevating our heart rate. Last 2. Good, last one. We're gonna lift and sit. Go lift, knock the booty, lift, knock the booty. Up, hey. You got it. For 4, for 3, 2. Good, little step touch, take it to the right. We go reach, reach, step flick, step flick, step touch, step flick. Feel that music start to build. We're gonna take that heart rate up. Last time, you're gonna do 4 booty kicks. Up for 4, squat it low, down and up. Good, booty kick. If you don't wanna jump today, just kick the heel to the booty, drop and lift. Or 4 jumps. It's totally up to you, wherever you wanna go today. Listen to your body. Keep it going, up. Woo! You got it, last 2. Get low. Last one. You got it, y'all, come on. From the top, let's go. We tap, right, woo, and left. Push. I'm with you. You got this. This is your final push for cardio. We're grabbing those weights right after this for one final push. Let's lift and sit. Take it up. 8. 8. Woo, up. 8. Little booty. 4 more. 3, 2. We're gonna step touch, step flick. Touch, touch, flick, flick. Let it build, y'all. Let's go. Up, up, out, out. One more time. Get ready for those 4 jump kicks. Booty goes. Squat low. Up. Yes. Lots of lower body focus so far, but we're almost out of that work. Don't give up now. We're in it together, y'all. Get low. Lift up. 4 more sets. Let's go. For 3. Last 2. Last one. Good. Tap it out. Last set. Right. Woo. One more time through. Out, in, out. 4. 3. We got 2. Lift. Sit. Knock the booty. Hey, hey, hey. Just 4. 3, 2. Step touch, step flick. Reach, reach, flick, flick, reach. For 2 more sets. Last time. Get ready. Finish with the booty kick. Come on. Kick it. Take it low. 3 more sets of this. Final push for your cardio moment. Give it all you got. Up. Last one. Grab those weights. Let's hit it, y'all. Final push. Less than 3 minutes. And then I'll pull you down. Arms at 90 degrees. Shoulders roll back. Palms face forward. Core is engaged. Soften in the knees. Right arm's gonna push up. Pull down. Left arm up. Pull down. See the shoulder press. Then squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Find the last. Option to stay slow like this, or we speed it up. Right arm. Left arm. Shoulder work here. Focusing in on our upper bodies. Give me 1 more time. Hold at the bottom. You're gonna press your arms to a box. You're gonna close the box. The elbows pull to the side. Slide open. A little bit faster. We go box, close, drop, open. Box, close, drop, open. That's it. Lift. Woo! You got it, y'all. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Relax the shoulders down the spine. Give me 1 more all the way through. Good, hold it right here. Little bicep curl, lift it up. Up, curl, curl. Just that 90-degree stopping point. Squeeze, squeeze. You have 4. You have 3. We're gonna take it back from the top into pressing right arm, then left. Slow, right, pull. It's not that slow, I lied. Push and pull, but remember you have the option to take this even slower if you do need it today. Listen to your body. Push, pull, push, and pull. Keep it going. 8, 7. Those shoulders should be feeling it, y'all. Woo! Come on. Give me 4 more. 3, 2. We're going back to that box lift. Here we go. We press up, close, drop, slide. Up, close, drop, slide. Keep going. Lift, squeeze, lower, open. You got it. Give me 4 more, all the way through. 4. Yes. 3. Final 2. You're at your finish line, you guys. This is it. Push it up, up. Woo! Hold it here. Flip the palms up. Little bicep curl. We did it. Squeeze those biceps. Lift, lift. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice work. Set your weights to the ground carefully. Shake it out. I'm just gonna cool you guys down a little bit. Take your feet a little wider than the hips. Turn your toes out. Engage your core. Inhale, lift up. And lower the arms. Scoop it all up. And make it rain. 2 more breaths, just like that. Lift. Release. Last time we're gonna hold it up at the top. Get a little bit taller right here. Reach the right arm up and switch. Little press and press. Just 4, 3, 2, to the side. Straight out from those shoulders. Palm presses to the back of your space. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take that left arm and take a big side body stretch. Lift up, other way, right arm up and over. Good, back up to the top, roll the shoulders up and back. Realign that posture. Woo. Last 2. Y'all, I am sweaty. Good, take your hands, push them out into those inner thighs. Walk those feet wider if you need to, maybe sway side to side. Dropping our chest forward, dip the left shoulder. Feel that spine rotate and twist. Lift to the center, other way. Good, I want you to carefully turn your toes forward and release over both of those legs. Release your head, shake it no, and then shake it yes. We'll take a soft bend through both of our knees, start to rebuild the spine all the way up, and then we'll bring our feet together at the top. If you enjoyed today's video, let me know in those comments, you guys. I love hearing from you. Let it all go and give yourself a big round of applause. I love you all and thank you so much for dancing with me today. And I will see you back on the dance floor very soon.